Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for Monday. The data is showing no warning signal at all, but two bearish with volatile and evenly poised. So the evenly poised rule, everyone knows that 33.33% chances on all three directions, which means whenever this particular data is coming, we must have to play much more cautiously, and small and safe traders better stay away from the trading except 0 0. That is the basic rule. So all three directions Nifty has equal amount of chances to go. So Nifty has full freedom. It is not going to easy to predict. We still having and getting new positive side target, but still on these type of days, irrespective of positive side targets opens, also it still has potential to go and close in the bearish. And we have monthly target 15,901, which is from the present level. It is having 1,200 points lower. So if it is going down, it will go very high on the downside. That is the reason which it shows that it still has potential to fall down heavily, even towards the unexpected imaginable points. So on these type of days, you must have to play much more cautiously with hedging method. Preferable hedging method is always uh, playing safe, and you can able to manage your losses with those safe method. But if you are going for a bullish and you are strong on the bullish side, those people can take 0 0 type of tolerable price, because if it is still after the fall, if it is rising towards to any level, then you can able to make some huge profit out of it. But it should not be treated as a 0 0. And other data which shows, Friday we had one more new target, which is 17,249. But after what we expected on Friday, that is exactly happened, but still the recovery is not that much as per our expectation. um, Nifty has recovered from the low. It has fallen as expected and recovered, but it still stays where the Nifty has opened. So it has to be gone towards to 250 range, but it's still not happened. But it has happened exactly the same, but it's still broken some key levels. But one unique point which it has reminded on Friday. So I would like to uh, explain that as well in the uh, coming uh, volatile one, which on Monday anything above this particular 0.24 level, which is in the bullish zone, and positive average is around 184, which is a good number. So anything above this particular volatile level 117,141, then Nifty is in the bullish zone. You can buy one call option as a 0 0. Anything below the volatile 2, which is in the bearish zone around 85 points, 1714 below this level, which is in the bullish bearish zone, you can buy one put option as a 0 0. Anything in between those two levels, it is in the volatile zone, which means you must have to go with the hedging method. These are all the basic rules. But volatile stop loss for the bearish, this particular level 17,144 plus 10 points as a stop loss, minus 3 points is the perfect time. So if Nifty is high aligning with this particular level, not able to reach this particular level and not able to break, means then Nifty has high chances to fall down heavily. So watch out, this particular 17,144.51 plus 10 points high is not able to break. Likewise, the same volatile stop loss for the bullish from this particular level, minus 10 points and plus 3 point perfect range. So if Nifty is not able to break downside from this particular level 14 minus 10 points, then Nifty has high chances to recover from the low. So low, we need to watch out whether it is breaking or not. So these are all the volatile stop loss. Any given day, the same principle is applicable. So watch out as well. So yesterday the Nifty has fallen down, and key rule which applied. So the support level and resistance level one. These are all the key basic rule. So it has reminded. So this particular key, how it is reacting. The resistant level 1. This is 17,105 and its average is 17,123. So the resistance level 1, how it is reacting if Nifty is opens in the negative and 1 point, not able to break the resistance level 1, then it has potential to fall down heavily. So this one basic rule which reminded yesterday, and these are all the basic rule. Any given day, this particular rule we can follow. So it is happening the same. So if pre-opening is in the negative or not able to break R1 high with the stop loss, the same rule, stop loss plus 10 points and 3 point perfect range for the bearish. If it is not breaking that particular level, means Nifty has potential to fall down heavily. This is one basic rule which we are following, always following. And likewise the same support level 1. Any given day, if pre-opening is in the positive and not able to break the support level 1, then it has chances to recover. That is what happened yesterday. So these are all the basic rules. So support level 1 means we need to subtract 10 points as a stop loss plus 3 point as a perfect range. So if this particular level is not breaking in this key level, then it has high chances to recover. So these are all the two basic rules as per support level 1 and resistance level. That is what happened on Wednesday. If you take the support level 1, which is 16,965, so it gives you 16,955.22. Any given day you can follow this. If support level 1 is not able to break the stop loss of minus 10 points, so after the stop loss of minus 10 points, we are getting 16,955. So we expected that this particular level Nifty will get strong support, but it has broken. And other basic rule, because Nifty is still in the volatile zone, Nifty still has potential to go volatile. Stop loss up to 16,919, it has potential to go down because the volatile zone is there until 16,999, but still getting support at support level 1, which is on the basic rule. So it's reminded as that basic rule. So any given day, that basic rule we can follow. If support level 1 is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to require that basic rule we need to remember. And resistance level 1 is not breaking high, Nifty is having potential to fall down. These are all the basic rules which we need to remember. So 16,955 is not broken on Friday. 16,958. So 55 was not broken. So that is the key level. Nifty fall down and then sharply recovered. So this we expected this kind of a moment. Initially it will fall down, then later it has recovered. We predicted as well. So in our data also, if you check our video, we specifically pointed out that kind of a moment will be there. So our unique predictions is happening exactly the same. Only thing is it is not recovered as expected. We expected a strong recovery towards to 250 points, but it has recovered only 120 and closed somewhere around 100. So it is fine, but still on this particular Monday, how we need to trade, we must have to go with the hedging method due to the evenly poised results. And the negative sides, we are having equally good numbers what we saw on the positive average, so 191. So that we need to play much more cautiously. One more thing what we need to focus is this particular 80% target. We are having 80% target like Friday. The 80% target once again in the negative side around 0.93%. So the rule must have to be in the negative. The pre-opening must have to be even 1 point negative, then only this target will get active. Yesterday the pre-opening is in the positive, so that negative side target is not active, but the 50-50 chances we had, so that is the reason it has failed as well. So on Monday we had 159.93. If pre-opening is in the negative, this will get active. So 16,941 we need to So we need to focus 16,000, sorry, 16,941.02 is the 80% target. If pre-opening must have to be in the negative even 1 point. If pre-opening is in the positive means, then the chances will become 50-50. This will not get active. It might fail as well. So we need to watch out the pre-opening. Right now the pre-opening is showing more than 100 points in the negative, but we need to wait. It might still change on the Monday while opening. And the par value data which shows 17,073.76, anything below this level Nifty will try to go down towards to low 16,690, around 409 point chances. So we need to watch out the pre-opening. If pre-opening is above this level, then Nifty has potential to go towards to high, which is 357, 457. So we need to watch out how the pre-opening is going to be. According to that, we need to trade on this particular data. But as per the volatile, we have one volatile as well. So volatile, we always trade positive target 2 to negative target 2. So which means 1% on the positive side, 1.2% on the negative side, which is 171 versus 209. So both sides having good numbers. So 17,000 271.87 on the downside, 16,890.90. These are the numbers which we need to focus as per the volatile rule on Monday. So Nifty has a strong movement between those two levels. So you must have to go with the edging method, and that is advisable. Due to this, we have saw so many times on the evenly poised day, and the data is comes these kind of means it has potential to fall down 200, and strongly from the minus 200 points it has recovered for almost 400 points and then closed plus 200 as well. So we have saw so many times these kind of unexpected bullish from the low after reaching 200. So if you trade on the hedging method, this will give you an decent amount of profits to exit. So play safe with the hedging method. And other data which shows anything above 17,148, then only bullish is in control. Anything below 1740, then only bearish in control. Anything in between, Nifty will struggle around 48 points to minus 59 points. So watch out those levels. So the best way to trade is edging method. On this particular day we still had so many positive side target, total 7, comparing with the negative we have only 2. So but still the gap is there around uh, 1200 points, so we can't omit this particular downside because 15,901 still open as per monthly data. So if it is falls down, it's still potential to go heavily. So that is the one more reason on evenly poised we need not to take much risk. Go with the edging method. Once again, you can go equally 100 points on these kind of days. This will give you a very good chances to exit with the profit even intraday itself around CE and PE equally 100 points and wait for even 1 week time as well. So minimum profit you need to exit with 1,000 rupees. Once it is reaching, you need to exit. Risk traders can wait till for the 3,000 rupees profit. We and specifically asked to exit around once it is reaching 1,000 points every day. If you are making 1,000 points with a combination of this kind of 100 both side, means you are taking a risk of 10,000, you're getting 10% result out of it. So the best method is to go book profit after reaching 1,000 points every day on these kind of combinations as well. So and this particular evenly policy you must have to trade with the hedging method. Let's go to the yesterday data. As I told, the low side is matched perfectly. The low side is matched perfectly, 16,958 with the support level 1, stop loss of minus 10 points. It is not able to break, but the lower side, after the lower side it has recovered, but the high which opened in the pre-opening itself but still not closed because the high 17,145, which is broken the stop loss of 10 points from this particular level. So the next target automatically got open 17,249, but it is still not closed yet, so that Nifty is still having potential to recover from any level towards to any bullish level. So watch out the 17,249 number. So play safe. The summary for the Monday, we have two bearish indicators with one volatile and one evenly poised. Normally volatile we highlight, but whenever evenly poised comes means that we will highlight always, and there is no warning signal. We have all three directions equally poised, so play safe with edging method. Small and safe traders better avoid trading except euro zero. You can trade euro zero 10 points both side, that is fine, but don't bet too much. You will lose money just like that in panic. And we have five positive side target, there is no negative side target for weekly, but we have monthly target, two targets on the downside around 15,900 range. A positive average is having 184 points and negative average is around 191 points, so both are equally in good numbers. So 360 points, 370 points range is there. Around anything above this particular level, 17141 pre-opening means Nifty is in the bullish zone. Anything below 17114, Nifty is in the bearish zone. These are all the basic rule. You can bet one call option or put option according to the trend, euro zero. And this particular key power value, anything above this level, Nifty will try to go 17,457. Anything below this level, Nifty try to come down 16,690. So two downside pending target comparing with the positive 7. And CPR data is showing bullish one sign, but our data is showing we have all results possible. So play safe. So CPR we just calculating with our data and getting the result out of it. So CPR data is indicating bullish. But our data is still saying we need to play safe with the edging method. Must have to go with the edging method due to volatile as well as evenly poised. And we have 80% day, and the rule is Nifty has to open in the negative. If Nifty pre-opening is in the positive, means chances are 50-50. Sometimes it will fail like what we saw on Friday. It has failed. And the positive target to the volatile rule as per the positive target 2 to negative target 2, which is 171 to 209, both sides having good numbers around 380 points. So we need to play with the edging method as per even volatile data as well. And the conclusion is the best way to trade is edging method. One point which I would like to add from here, which is small and safe traders better avoid trading today. Small and one day except euro zero. So best method to go hedging method, and small and safe traders better avoid trading today except euro zero. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you.